Alright, well, pick this up. Let's do a little unboxing. I think this will make things make life a little easier, maybe. We'll see what they give me. Here's the gun. I guess it's all coming out in one piece here. Whoops, let's see if I can break it first thing. Oh. If I break it that easy, it ain't gonna last me long. Oh, look at that. It's already got the battery on it. Isn't that special? Oh. Oh, there. We'll see how it works. We'll be using it quite a bit, I think. It should make life a little easier.